Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to invite someone to a like on Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook app. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner of the home page. Search for a page you would like to invite your friends to like. In the menu bar at the top of the page, you need to tap on the Community tab. Swipe the menu bar from right to left and tap on Community. Scroll down the Community tab until you can find Invite Friends button and tap on it. Here you can see your old friends and mark them one by one and send invite to them. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.